Hi, and welcome to another quick coin unboxing. These are not really for any set in particular. They were kind of impulse buys. I saw them, I liked them, and I wanted them. Let's get going. Should be two things in here. Yeah, all right. What should we do first? Let's go with this guy. Okay. So, here we have a PCGS MS63RB. Picked this up. It's not a particularly special coin. It's not a rare date or a high grade, but it's 1910. It's 113 years old. It's mostly red. Not completely, but it is mostly red. And, you know, I just thought, hey, 1910, second year of the series, for 35 bucks. You know, PCGS guides at 57, but for 35 bucks, I thought that seemed pretty nice. So, it's not going in any set, just something kind of fun to have. And what have we got here? Let's see. This was even more of an impulse buy. I have almost no Canadian coins, but I really liked the toning on this, especially this guy here. As you can see there, got some nice toning. This is a 1967, I believe. Let's see. Oh, Canadian coins flip this way. That's how few I have. I didn't know. Yeah, 1967 silver proof set, or mint set rather. Just nicely toned. Yeah. There you go.